What's cracking YouTube, man? Back with another video. Back with another video on the Monte Carlo. Yes, man, y'all seen in the last video, I put the 24s on the car. And as we were trying to get ready to edit the ride and drive video on this car, we realized it don't ride and drive on these 24s because it's got a fitment issue in the back. When the car goes off kilter and sits down, the wheel scrub. So today, man, my partner gonna come over. We gonna roll these fenders out. Well, he gonna show me how, because I don't know how. He's got the fender roller. He gonna show me how to roll these on here. Because right in here, as you can see, it actually hit right there as I was going down the driveway. And it kind of, like, it didn't hit in the front, which I seen everybody was saying it would hit in here without having it frame notched or spacers in the back. So I think today we're gonna throw some lift spacers in just for a little bit until we can get this car over to get it frame notched. But yeah, it's hitting right there. So we gotta get the fenders rolled, and then we should be able to try to pull this thing out of the garage again. But also got a little more extra done with it. We went ahead and got all the parts they painted white on the car, swapped out the black. So, you know, like I said, man, it's coming along slowly but surely. We're getting there, man. It looks a lot better with it actually blacked out back there. Next thing we gotta do is I gotta get this front lower chin spoiler painted back black, but you know, eventually it'll be back black. Paint's starting to fall off anyway. My headlight buckets need to be black. The grill needs to be black. So much other little stuff that needs to be done in black to correct their screw ups. But you know, I'm kind of debating, should I go back black on the T-tops? I'm thinking I'm gonna go back black. The white looks good, but I think black would look better with the black trim. Everything trimmed out in black, so I may, and the OG code is black anyway, so we may do black. But anyway, man, he still ain't pulled up yet. I'm waiting on him to show up. As soon as he show up, man, we're gonna lock this on and get started taking this apart, and I'll cut y'all back on when he decides to show up. So I decided to go ahead and pull the wheels off because he taking forever. But like I said, right there, all this hits as I started backing down the driveway, which I mean, I knew I would have to bend these in. So I'm gonna bend these, all these will be reshot black once I get the frame notch done. But, so I guess we're gonna try to make it cheaper on ourselves and roll these fenders out. And then we won't have to worry about it, but as of right now, we still playing the waiting game because somebody don't realize when I say 8 a.m., that's what I mean. So he'll show up eventually and with the tool and we'll get started on it. But until then, I'm gonna have to cut y'all back on when he decided to show up. My bro finally decided to show up about 45 minutes too late. I went ahead and pulled the wheels off, jacked it up, got everything straight. But he trying to get it. I'm trying to figure this tool out myself. So we learned.
Your fucking fenders are
right. You can't be cursing on my YouTube channel. They monetize me now.
Damn. Restart.
Restart. Can't be cursing. They be tripping now. Hey, I be watching so many of these YouTubers now. I remember their channels used to be so full. Now they just like tell you PG-13 because they was like, nah, we ain't doing that no more. You see what I was talking about? Well, you ain't seen the other side, like how it's just off-centered on these G bodies. Like the frame is like flush on one side and on the other side is out like a half inch.
Right here?
Yeah. See, that side is in and the other side is like out like a half inch on the other side. So in order to make them fit without notching, I put an 1.5 inch spacer on this side and an inch on the other side. So it's weird, but I gotta take it to that Dream Chaser Customs everybody can tell me about. They say they do good work up there, so that's what we're gonna take it to. Try and get it worked out. I'm trying to get out of the bush of these fenders. Yeah, I would've went ahead and I would've ruined these, boy.
Yeah. Alright, where you going?
It's right here. That's what I was saying. I don't know if the cable long. Yeah, it should be long.
I'm gonna make that motherfucker hot as shit.
It should be able to reach. It's not hot as my sticker off her. Well, you're away from that sticker, so it shouldn't come off anyway. You underneath it anyhow.
You get heat on that sticker for it to sit anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah, bro. Got all my bread back. Virtually, I got this car painted for free, but really it wasn't painted for free because it's got to get busted back down anyway, so.
I mean, some panels are alright.
Some of them are alright. Yeah. I gotta see if Jeremiah can put the window trims and everything back on. It ain't right at all.
Yeah. My knees aren't set up to be like that.
What?
I said my knees are not set up to be sitting like that.
Nope, mine either. That's why I had to stand up. Sorry, man. Appreciate you getting up at 8 o'clock in the morning, coming up here trying to roll these fenders on the G-body, man.
I was up to 7.
Man, I was up at like 6:30, man. I'm telling you, this Cameron thinks she's a little baby ghost. She come in the room every morning with the blanket wrapped around her head. I'm like, well, get in the bed. But I don't sleep a lot anyway, man, because I got too much going on, man. And we all get the same 24. I got to figure out how I'm going to use mine to get the most out of the day.
Yep. I'm tired. Like, we got to do this, do this, do that, do this, do that. Man, all right. I'm going to get over here to Terrence early. Get this knocked out.
Yeah, man. We finna try to roll this fender, and then I'm gonna cut y'all back on and show y'all what it looked like whenever he decided to finish it. He teaching me something, so cut y'all back on and get it all rolled up. Bro on the other side. We back, man. We got it going. He got one side done. Once again, never take your car to Mako, man. Look at how bad this flaked off when we try to roll it. I don't know if y'all can see how it's rolled underneath. We just stopped rolling it like right here. Paint just flaked completely off. But it's still good around the outer fender, so that should be straight. Got that done. We gotta finish this other side up. Once we get this side rolled out, we're gonna put the wheels on it and put it down. Like I said, for now I had to put, if y'all can see them, I had to put these coil spring spacers in just for now till we can get it over to the shop and get it frame notched. Then I can take the spacer and all of those stuff off. But you know, it is what it is with this car. I'm trying to get that. I only put the spacers on there literally just so I don't have to take 2 sets of wheels to the shop and then give him these and he can test fit them and all that other stuff. And then I'm packing back the 15s back home. We're just gonna take the car over there with the spacers and the spring blocks in it. And then once we get that done, he should be able to notch it and I'll take all that off and drive the car back home already under its own power and own load without any rubbing or anything. So yeah, man, that was another quick video for y'all on this car. It's coming along. Everything is working now. My partner came over, took care of the fender rolling. Get you some good friends that'll do you a solid when you need one. So yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that other good stuff. And we're gonna see y'all in the next video.